Hello guys, this is Bahram from Linguist channel. If you're watching me right now, it means you want to be a YouTuber in 2021. So let's go without wasting time. I'm gonna tell you guys 5 secrets how to become a YouTuber in 2021. First of all is trying to be honest with yourself. If you are if you're gonna ask yourself why I'm gonna become a YouTuber. If your answer is, I want to become a YouTuber to achieve YouTube threshold, about, if I'm not mistaken, 4,000 hours of watched video, and 1,000 of subscribers. This is the YouTube threshold in 2021. If you want to achieve this goal, it means you are only thinking about the money. But if you are passionate about to editing videos, to making contents, it means you are passionate and you're so emotional and you have feelings about to become a YouTuber. Or I'm not talking about 24/7 YouTuber, which is I'm also not, but to a person which is cares about his page and its content, likes, views, and comments, not only for the money. So second is trying to make good content, which is really important, which is I actually made a research about it. Anything you're doing right now, stop it and make a good content, because content is the important, is why the YouTube is here. It's not like 10 or 20 years ago, which is there was just about the comedy movies. I'm talking about 10 years ago. I mean, a decade ago, it was just about this movies from animals, and nothing was like uh, educational in social media. But right now is totally different. You can find any kind of contents in these great social networks and social medias. So the first thing in trying to make a good content is, after you answering your what is your reason to become a YouTuber in 2021, is for making a good content you have to be patient and you have to be passionate, which is you have to analyze your competitors in this big competition or concourse, and you have to make a better movie than the others. By the time you're doing this, you are one step forward than the others. That means you are actually a person which is getting more and more subscribers and views, because you are one step forward than the others. It means you have one more subscriber and one more views, which is, to sum up this analysis, it would blow your mind, guys. So after making good content, bam, let's go and advertise it. How to advertise it, which is these search engine machines and search like Google and YouTube and other things which or exist. They are helping you, and you can go to your YouTube and you can see at the end of in YouTube Studio, you can check it out, which is the content you made, how it's been found by people, which is, it was from searching machines, SEO, searching engines, or it was from other websites, other stuffs. This is advertising. You can advertise your page on your Instagram, for example. You can say your video, for example, my Instagram is prostabach. You can go to and follow me on Instagram. Just easy peasy. Right now I said it. You can set, and I put my Instagram on the description like this. You can do the same thing by advertising your channel, your Instagram, your other social media like Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, anything you got. The good thing about Facebook, which I just mentioned, is Facebook it has thousands of groups, about, I don't know, 6 billion or 6 million, yeah, maybe 6 billion groups. It's like population of Earth, people on Earth. So good thing about Facebook is to having lots of groups, millions of groups, so you can put your links to some of these groups and advertise your channel and find people who are loyal to your channel. Finding loyal subscribers is so much harder than normal ones. Keep in mind. The other one is get view and subscribers, which is I also which is one of the subgroups of advertising, which is I mentioned. So the last thing is be patient, and also be patient. It's not just anytime. I also totally understand you guys. It's so much hard to be a YouTube beginner, a newbie, or in poker's a tomato. So I, honest with you, I've been there. I have the same feeling. Just be patient. I had lots of channels, but you know, it's times. It's need time to grow. Okay, it's just not one night and bam, you are on top of the YouTube. You are Mr. Beast right now. I don't know, you are one of the greatest YouTubers. Okay, Mr. Beast, he uploaded for 5 years, couple, I don't know, thousands of videos, but he didn't have any subscribers. He started like you guys. He started like me. So be patient. It gets 1 month, it gets 1 year, it gets how many years, I don't know, but always when a person tries hard, it will get its result, and of course a good result. But we need time, we need to be patient, and this video is going to be finished. I have to say, just do not forget about making good contents and be patient. These are two two important and very, I think they are in I made 5 secrets, but these 2 secrets are so much important than the others. Even you found them in a 10 secrets list or others YouTubers which made movies like me. Anyway, make good contents, try to get a good camera, and be patient. I have to say, guys, subscribe or put peace, as you know, my language is my channel is about Russian language and some other language, but subscribe our channel, smash the subscribe button, and make comments and make likes for me. Guys, love you so much. Take care and goodbye. Пока.